Hello everyone, welcome to the bicycle equipment class. I'm Eva. Today, I will teach you how to maintain the bicycle chain. If the chain is not maintained for a long time, it will be rust. It will be laborious to ride a bike. Besides, there will be noise. This time, cleaning and maintenance is necessary, and we found a good cleaning solution. Spray it on the chain to be cleaned, and then we used our chain washing brush. You can do it without disassembling the chain. Brush designs at both ends are all useful. Finally, rinse it with clean water to fish it. The whole chain maintenance and cleaning process is complete. It's simple and easy to use. Click the attention button above. We will bring you more practical explanations in the future. Bye!